Alright, before we kick off, pun intended, don't forget to click the link in the description below for a special offer on Kikoff's Credit Builder Loan. Trust me, your future self will thank you. So you're just starting out on your credit journey. Maybe you've got no credit at all, or maybe like me, you accidentally murdered your score with one too many late payments. Either way, building credit can feel like trying to win the lottery. But here's the thing, you don't need magic. You just need Kikoff. Let's talk about what Kikoff actually is. Imagine if building credit was as easy as buying a coffee. That's basically what Kikoff does. With their Credit Builder Loan, you don't need good credit to start, and there's no scary credit check. You simply sign up, make tiny monthly payments, and boom, you're building credit. Here's how it works. Kikoff sets aside a small loan for you, but instead of giving you the cash, they keep it safe, and you pay it back over time, usually $5 or $10 a month. Each of those payments gets reported to the major credit bureaus, which in credit world basically shouts, "Hey, look at me, I'm responsible." And get this, there's zero interest and almost no fees. So all the money you pay goes right back to you at the end. It's like saving, but with a glow up for your credit score. Plus, Kikoff is totally online, so you can apply in your pajamas while eating crisps, and nobody's judging you. They even have a handy app that lets you track your progress and get tips along the way. Easy peasy. Remember, the sooner you start, the better your score grows. So if you're tired of being ghosted by landlords and credit cards, this is your sign. Click that link in the description below for your special Kikoff offer, and let's get your credit score glowing. Catch you in the next one. Cheers!